up, y'all? It's your girl Tyra, and thank you for joining me at Beauty Sent Her. So today is Love Day. So today is Valentine's Day. I'm pretty sure it's not going to be Valentine's Day by the time I post this video, but happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I hope you had a great Valentine's Day and all that jazz. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we are going to the video. Products that I'll be using for my hair is Shine and Jam Extra Hold. I'll also be using some mousse at the end. Also, I use some Jamaican black castor oil. I literally love Jamaican black castor oil. I put it all throughout my hair while I was blow drying it, so that step is already done. I'll also be using Ease Edges Black Castor Flaxseed Age Control Gel. Like, I literally love using this when I'm doing any type of cornrow or anything. It just really tacks my hair together. Also, I'll be using some scrunchies. Make sure you have a rat tail comb for parting alongside a toothbrush to bring your hair back when you're doing the front. And also be using some clips in my thinning brush. The hair that I will be using is by Epic. This is the hair. So I'll be using this hair for the ends, and I'll be using SPETRA. Yes, SPETRA Easy and Go Braid. So I'm gonna start off with this hair and end off with this hair, for it can go like a darker, lighter type effect. Y'all get it? Y'all get it. So let me start braiding, y'all. First, I'm going to part my hair and get some of my jam and put it all on the roots of my hair. Then after that, I'm going to separate my hair into 3 sections and start making my first braid. I'm only going to braid once, and then I'm going to add hair into it. You will need to have 3 different sections of hair. So this is the first one I'm going to add. Then I'm going to add the second one. Then I'm going to add the third one. And make sure that you always add the hair on the end. Never add it in the middle. Once I get halfway of finishing my hair, I'm going to take 1 strand of the braiding hair in the lighter red color and add it to my braid. And you only need to use 1. You don't need to do the 3 different sections of hair. Now I've reached to the top of my hair, and I'll be using some of my jam to make sure that I have a straight part. And again, I'm going to repeat the same steps by having 3 different sections of hair, starting my braid, and then adding the hair at the ends. Also, make sure you use a good amount of jam so you can grab all of your hair and your edges to make sure that your hair is flat and neat. when you're doing knotless braids, you don't have to braid for a long time. And what I mean by that is you don't have to start braiding your own hair a lot. You just need a little bit and then you add in the hair. I dipped my hair in hot boiling water off camera just because it's really hot and it could get real messy. So you would just boil your water until it gets really hot and steamy, then dip your hair inside. And after I finish dipping my hair, I will start to do my edges. I started using a toothbrush to bring down my edges, then went in with my rat tail comb to shape it up. Now I'll be going in with my LOTTABODY mousse, and I'll be putting it on the top of my hair, and then I'll be putting it throughout my braids and the bottom and wrapping it afterwards so my braids can lay down flat. The hair looks up close. Let me give y'all a little, show y'all the parting and how I did everything in the back. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know and I'll respond to you. I respond to all my comments really quickly. And thank you for joining your girl Tyra at Beauty Center. I am